Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates and reviews. Lambretta J125 2025. The iconic scooter re-unveiled. Lambretta J125, a symbol of classic Italian design and urban mobility for decades. In 2025, Lambretta takes a bold step forward with the new J125 model, blending retro aesthetics with modern technology. This scooter is designed for riders who seek style, performance, and reliability. Design and aesthetics of the 2025 Lambretta J125 stays true to its roots with a vintage-inspired frame, premium paint finishes, and chrome accents. However, it also incorporates LED lighting, a digital instrument panel, and ergonomic seating for enhanced comfort and usability. Key design features: classic metal body with a refreshed, streamlined look, LED headlights and taillights for better visibility, 12-inch alloy wheels with a modern touch, retro-style speedometer with digital integration. Performance and engine of the J125 is powered by a refined 125cc single-cylinder engine, ensuring smooth rides in city traffic. The fuel-injected motor provides a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for urban commuting. Engine specifications: 125cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, fuel-injected technology for better fuel economy, automatic CVT transmission for effortless riding, top speed approximately 95 km/h. Technology and features of the Lambretta J125 2025 is equipped with modern technology to enhance rider convenience and safety. Highlight features of the Lambretta J125: smart key system for keyless ignition, USB charging port for mobile devices, anti-lock braking system, ABS for better safety, under-seat storage space for practicality, ride comfort and handling with improved suspension and a lightweight frame. The J125 ensures a smooth and stable ride even on uneven roads. The telescopic front forks and rear hydraulic shock absorbers provide excellent shock absorption. Pricing and availability: the Lambretta J125 2025 is expected to launch in multiple markets, including Europe and Asia, with an estimated price of $3,500 to $4,000. It will be available in classic colors like red, white, black, and special edition variants. The Lambretta J125 2025 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, making it an ideal choice for both young riders and vintage scooter enthusiasts. With its stylish design, fuel-efficient engine, and modern tech features, it's set to be one of the top scooters in its segment. Would you ride the new Lambretta J125? Let us know in the comments.